So on my Facebook broadcast, I did a quick little poll to ask if you guys liked these doodle videos all bunched together or if you would prefer them quick and simple little 3-minute videos for each one of these. And that's what you guys voted for. I'll leave a link if you want to join that broadcast in the description below. Anyways, this is video number 2. We did the flower one. It's on the page already. The second one is cute little mushrooms. So let's get started. So you're going to begin by creating the arch for the top of your mushroom. We're basically just doing an upside down U here. And then you're going to create a very slightly upward curved line for the bottom of the top of the mushroom. And we're actually going to add a couple little mushrooms to the side of these as well. But for those, the curve is going to go slightly downward. So if you do it slightly down, you don't have to worry about the underside of the mushroom. And since those are so tiny, I didn't want to have to do that. So we're going to go ahead and add our stems on to each of our mushrooms. The small ones on the side, I'm just double striping them. I'm not going to try to have them far enough apart. And then you're going to go and do the rest of the underside. That way you've got your stem inside. Now we're going to create the stripes going up towards the tip of the mushroom underneath here. And then we're going to add some ground because they aren't just going to be floating in the middle of nowhere. Next, add a little bit of design on your mushroom. This one, I'm just going to add some little hash marks. These are pretty small rocks. If you try to do too much detail, it can start getting a little muddy looking. So for this one, I'm keeping it super simple. You can also come along the ground and add a few little specks and blades of grass. I am using an extra fine tip Posca paint pen here, so you can get these tiny little lines with a nice brand new one. This one is very new. I am switching out my pen, however, to an older one for my outline because there's no reason to use my brand new one there. As you can see here, I am using the side of my paint pen to create this edge. So I'm just kind of holding it at an angle and holding my rock at an angle, running it along and letting it create this natural border along the edge, which really makes your design pop. And that simple little rock is done. Next, I'll show you really quick. Like I said, this is grainy, but I did it on a live. These are fast and easy base coats for these doodle rocks. Just place down the paint pen colors that you like, a little bit of water on top, and they just kind of wash around. They sit there, they dry super fast, and then you have this kind of watercolor look that you can create all these fun designs on top of. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy doodle. Come back and watch the rest of this series as they come out. Bye-bye.